Greetings, family. I'm Aleah Gathings with the Believe Ministry, and today I'll be sharing with you a devotional entitled Open Hearted Prayer. But I'm very discouraged, and I was pouring my heart out to the Lord. 1 Samuel 1:15b. So at the start of the book of 1 Samuel, in chapter 1, we find the story of Hannah, the mother of the great prophet Samuel. And while waiting on God to bless her with a child, Hannah was in deep anguish, crying bitterly as she prayed to the Lord. Hannah had cultivated the type of relationship with God where she could come close to God and pour out the contents of her heart. From James 4:8, we understand that when we come close to God, God comes close to us. For in our moments of despair and doubt, we can recall the lyrics of the psalmist. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. So where do you go to get alone with God? Where is your prayer closet? God is waiting on us to come close, to pour out the contents of our hearts, to hand over every care and concern. And in the words of my mother, to watch God deliver all. Amen.